In this video, you'll learn simple English while relaxing with a calm story. Welcome! Let's drift into a dream city together, where the night is soft and the streets whisper stories. Imagine walking through a city washed in the gentle glow of twilight. The sky is a canvas of soft purples and deep blues, a perfect backdrop for the warm lights that begin to dot the urban landscape. The day's hustle has faded, replaced by a serene calm that settles over everything like a soft blanket. Here, the rain has just kissed the pavement, leaving behind shimmering reflections. Streetlights cast long, golden trails on the wet asphalt, transforming the ordinary ground into a river of light. Each droplet on a window pane holds a tiny, distorted city within it, a miniature world of color and glow. We wander down a quiet lane, lined with old buildings whose bricks have seen countless seasons. The windows of apartments and houses glow with a warm, inviting light. Behind each one, a life unfolds: a quiet dinner, a book being read, a moment of peace. These are silent stories, and we are just passing observers, feeling the warmth from afar. The air is cool and fresh, carrying the faint scent of rain and damp earth. There is a quiet cafe on the corner, its sign a soft neon hum. Inside, steam rises from a cup of coffee, and the low murmur of conversation is a comforting sound. It's a haven of warmth and light in the cool night. Notice the slow, deliberate pace of everything around you. A lone car glides by, its headlights cutting a soft path through the darkness. A single leaf, caught in a gentle breeze, dances its way down to the glistening sidewalk. There's no rush, no urgency, just the steady, peaceful rhythm of the city at rest. This is a place for your thoughts to roam free. A place to breathe deeply and let go of the day's worries. The soft, pastel colors of the city at night are soothing to the soul. The gentle movement, the unhurried pursuits, all designed to bring a sense of tranquility. As we continue our journey, we see the silhouettes of trees against the glowing sky. Their branches are like intricate ink drawings, delicate and beautiful. The city's architecture, soft by the night, takes on a new character. Sharp angles become gentle curves, and imposing structures seem to sleep peacefully. Listen closely. Can you hear the subtle sounds of the night? The distant hum of the city's heart, the gentle patter of a lingering rain shower, the soft rustle of leaves. These are the sounds of solitude, not loneliness. It's the sound of a world taking a moment to itself and inviting you to do the same. Let this dreamlike journey be a form of meditation. Allow your mind to clear as you focus on the simple beauty around you, the play of light and shadow, the reflection of a neon sign in a puddle, the quiet stillness of a deserted park bench. Each detail is a small gift, a moment of peace. This urban dreamscape is a sanctuary. It's a reminder that even in the heart of a bustling city, there are pockets of calm, moments of quiet beauty waiting to be discovered. It's about finding the magic in the mundane, the poetry in the everyday. As you watch the slow-moving scenes, perhaps you can practice your English. The words are simple, like the scenes they describe: a glowing window, a rainy street, a quiet corner. Let the language flow as gently as the visuals. It's learning without pressure, absorption without effort. Think of this as a visual lullaby. The soft focus, the slow camera pans, the lack of sharp cutsits, all intended to relax your eyes and your mind. Let the gentle motion guide you into a state of calm. We pass by a small bookstore, its windows displaying covers like little promises of adventure. The light from within spills onto the sidewalk, a warm invitation into other worlds. Even though it's closed, the magic is still there, waiting for tomorrow. The colors are a key part of this dream. Not the harsh, bright lights of a busy metropolis, but a more subdued palette. Soft pinks, muted oranges, gentle blues, and warm yellows. These are the colors of a dream, painted across the canvas of the night. Imagine yourself sitting on a balcony, overlooking this quiet city. A warm blanket is wrapped around you, a cup of tea in your hands. You are part of the scene, a quiet observer taking in the peaceful panorama. You are not just watching the dream, you are in it. Let the feeling of peace wash over you. Let the steady, slow rhythm of this urban dream sync with your own heartbeat, slowing it down, bringing a sense of deep relaxation. There's nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to be. Just be here, in this moment. As our walk through this dream city comes to a close, Carry this feeling of tranquility with you. Remember the soft lights, the quiet streets, and the gentle rain. The city is sleeping, and in its slumber, it offers a gift of peace. Thank you for joining this quiet journey. I hope it brought you a moment of calm and relaxation. If you enjoyed this peaceful escape, please like and subscribe for more moments of urban serenity. Until next time, may your dreams be as peaceful as this city night. Sweet dreams!